The Furnace Meditation, burning chaos as fuel for transformation. In this meditation, you'll be burning everything you don't need, that which takes you away from your authentic self. Anything that gets in your way. You can use everything. Your concerns about work, family, business, issues of anger or anxiety or stress. You are burning chaos as fuel for transformation. You're taking an active role in burning it up and using it to transform your life. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Know that you are grounded and that you are loved. Feel the floor beneath your feet, beneath your body. You are grounded, but also connected to your higher self, a higher consciousness which offers unconditional love and protection. Imagine that you're in the middle of the woods, sitting comfortably on a blanket. You're in front of a raging fire. You feel the warmth, but it's not too hot. You notice the trees around you. You see and hear a running waterfall nearby. Just relax on the blanket in front of this fire. It's late in the afternoon. A crisp and clear afternoon. The fire is comforting. Keep the image of the burning fire, because soon you will become that fire, burning logs of everything you don't need. The concerns, the stress, the anxiety will burn, and it will become a healing fuel that energizes you. Take a big breath, a deep breath into the heart, and now focus your attention on your belly. Right in back of the belly button is an energy point known as the seat of power. The seat of power is your vital energy source. It's called by many names: the solar plexus, the hara. It's where we generate our power. It is an internal fire that continually burns. Keep your breath steady, deeper and deeper, as you keep your attention at the seat of power. Breathe in and breathe out. As the fire before you burns, the fire in the pit of your belly generates heat. Deeper and deeper, you breathe into this place, generating heat. Your breath fans the fire. Keeping your attention right there in the seat of power. Now put whatever it is you do not need into that internal fire. Imagine those things as wood burning. The road rage you've encountered, the arguments with family, concerns about children, aggravation at work, the nitpicking of clients or customers. These items of chaos are now logs of wood burning as fuel for transformation. The fire in front of you sparks as it lights the timber on the flames. Just as the fire within you is sparked by your intention to rid yourself of everything that keeps you from peace.